Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix keys not working on Magic Keyboard on your iPad Pro M5. So if the keys aren't working, then try to detach your iPad. Wait a couple of seconds, you can even close the keyboard and reopen it once again, and then attach. Now when we go into a notes, for example, just to write something, quick note, it is working. If it's still not working, then after the detaching, you can clean with a soft brush these pins right here and this as well. Remember to not use any metallic tools or anything hard. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.